Yo, 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 welcome to this video of a full day of eating with your girl. Oh, what's going on? Welcome to this video, you guys. You will see a ton of sprinkleness of weirdo with me. Sorry. If you don't like it, then you can exit out of this video now. Of a full day of eating with Noel Arevalo. Welcome to my channel if you are new. Welcome. I hope you enjoy this video. So my channel is like very healthy lifestyle based. I have a lot of full days of eating, a lot of tips just like on training and all that good stuff. It's very healthy, fit, lifestyle based. Not to make me basic, but you know. Fitness thing for like 7 years now. I've done 3 bodybuilding bikini shows. I've done 3 powerlifting meets. That is mostly what my channel is going to be based. So if you would like to see more full days of eating, recipes, workouts, tips, just like of stuff that I've learned over the 7 years of my own personal fitness journey, trial and error, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And I'm also very weird and I embrace being very weird because if you are not weird, are you living? Are you? Showing you a full day of eating of a lot of low carb meal ideas. That's what I do. I count my protein, fat, and carbs. The best way of dieting, I will argue anybody on it. I've been doing it for 7 years. 7 years, and there's a reason for it. It's because it's the most flexible. It's not restricted, like super restrictive. And that's the way to really make this a lifestyle and be able to sustain it, right? If you're gonna go on something like keto, like I'm not trying to hate, I'm not the biggest fan, it's way too restrictive. If you guys have any ideas of future videos that you wanna see, comment in the comment section. One, this isn't gonna be like what exactly my personal nutrition looks like day to day. Some of the meals, absolutely it is, but I'm giving you more so just ideas of low carb meals. 2 things. So you guys, if you are not getting in enough water throughout the day, you're gonna find that you're hungry and you're gonna snack more, okay? Snack more does not lead to good body more, right? Make sure that you're getting in enough water because that is gonna help you so much with feeling full throughout the day and then also having a lot of energy. You'll feel more fatigued if you don't get in water. I personally have, everyone's gonna be different, like a gallon a day at least. Always try to always try to incorporate as much vegetables into like every meal throughout the day. One, it meets micronutrients. If you guys don't know what those are, that's like vitamins and minerals. So it's just great for overall health. It keeps you a lot more full throughout the day. So if you incorporate more vegetables, and you're gonna find that you're snacking less. But let's go ahead and get into the video. Please make sure to hit the thumbs up. It helps me out so much, especially if you wanna see more videos like this. Thumbs up this video, you guys. Welcome to my channel. I hope I'm not too obnoxious for you. I love you, and let's get into the video.
All right, first meal, we're having some peanut butter rice cakes, and then we're also going to have an almond milk, I was gonna say latte because that is a habit, almond milk protein shake. This is my absolute favorite protein powder. Peanut butter banana split's amazing by NLA for her. I am sponsored by them, you guys, so if you do wanna pick up some supplements from them, I do have a discount code for you in the description box always. So I did 2 rice cakes and 3/4 of a serving of peanut butter. All of these meals are really good for like quick on-the-go meals as well, just to make a point of that. Then I went ahead and had a protein shake with almond milk. The peanut butter frickin' banana split is so good, you guys. That or the chocolate eclair, I highly recommend these flavors. I try to keep max my protein shakes to 2 a day. If I'm like really on the go, you want to have a balance between other protein sources and protein powder. Protein powder, there's nothing wrong with it. It just really makes getting in your protein needs like so convenient. Protein is very important to meet that need. But I would definitely recommend having a balance between other protein sources and protein powder. Obsessed with this cauliflower hash that I found. Oh my gosh, it literally makes you feel like you're eating a stir fry. So yummy. And if you even want to make this particular meal even lower carb, you don't even necessarily have to add the black beans. Quick point to make, quinoa or brown rice, if you swap that out for beans, any kind of beans, black beans, pinto beans, beans are a partial source of protein, so they provide protein as well, but you get so much more volume for the amount that you get. So starting with cooking the turkey, depending on the amount that you're making is obviously going to vary the time that it takes. I usually make it until it gets a little bit brown. And then I go ahead and I add in the cauliflower hash afterwards, and I probably cook it for anywhere from like max like 2 to 4 minutes. Mix that up in there. Just look at that beauty right there. And then the garlic salt that I just showed you is literally the seasoning that I use for everything. That or a season all salt that I got from Walmart. So I just sprinkle that on top, and then afterwards, depending on if I want some toppings, I'll either add a little bit of soy sauce to add like some extra flavor sometimes, or I'll top it with sriracha. Also, this is such a solid meal to meal prep during the week, and not only that, but it's so simple to make. And this is what one serving of beans look like, and one serving of the lean turkey with the veggies look like. Next up on the meals of Noel, we had some cod fillet. This is a great source of fish. I love how it's packaged like this. Super lean. It's pretty much just, it's literally pure protein. Broccoli, and then we had some Dave's sliced bread. Best macros in the world. Went ahead and seared the cod on the pan. Super simple. I used an avocado spray that I got from Costco. And then of course I just went ahead and seasoned it with my garlic salt. Then same with the broccoli, added the garlic salt, added a teaspoon of olive oil and a little bit of water to cook them. Ta-da! And there you have it, folks. Very nutritious and delicious meal made by yours truly. Just came up with that. This is the best sparkling water ever, and it has like the least amount of ingredients. It's a very healthy choice from all of the sparkling waters that I've come by. Next, I can't believe it's not butter spray, you guys. This will change your life. I put this on my egg whites. I put this on my vegetables, not all the time, but like half the time I do. And I sprayed a little bit on my toast. It is amazing. Next is a micro-dense protein smoothie. You guys can make this before workouts, after workouts. Really solid smoothie for on the go. So I used 3-berry blend frozen berries from Costco, unsweetened almond milk, and then a scoop of NLA protein. Super, super simple. Use my bullet to mix it up. Just blend it. And look at how much berries you get for the amount of macros. Like for one serving of berries, it's only 17 carb. It pretty much feels like 3/4 of a cup. Then we go on right ahead and blend that sucker up. Then in just snap of the fingers, poof! Just kidding, watch the pour. You are so beautiful to me. Yes, you are a protein smoothie. Don't judge me, that is a stemless wine glass.
And that is going to conclude that video. It's always one step at a time with, you know, living more of a healthy lifestyle, especially with your nutrition. Nutrition is the hardest thing. Most of us can get to the gym, but nutrition is the hardest thing. And I know that because I've lived it, been there, motherfucking done that. So one step at a time. I hope that you enjoyed it so much. I hope you learned something from it. Again, comment below in the comment section, yes, if you want to see more videos like this. Do not forget to hit that thumbs up. That also helps me to know what kind of videos that you guys want to see. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button to see me in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. I could sing forever and ever. But I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.